Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to A/B test your marketing emails in HubSpot so you can optimize your campaigns and engage your audience more effectively. Start by logging into your HubSpot account. Once you're on the dashboard, go to the Marketing dropdown and select Email to access your email campaigns. Next, choose the email you want to test and open it. Look for the Create A/B Test option and click on it to start setting up your test. Here, you can experiment with different subject lines, email content, or call to action buttons to see which version performs better. Configure your test parameters carefully, review your versions, and once everything looks good, click Launch. HubSpot will automatically send each version to a portion of your audience, track the results, and provide insights on which version performs best. And that's it. By following these steps, you can easily run A/B tests in HubSpot, refine your email strategy, and improve engagement rates. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more HubSpot tutorials and marketing tips.